Alright, it is time to move on to the next thing. So we have this Undersink quick change filter system. There's the supply side, there's the filter side. It's the MK99 model. Lead and chlorine, and then a 0.05 micron filter. Cryptosporidium's filtered out at 0.3 microns. So Cryptosporidium will get through this. About 4 inches long, 1 foot long, or 4 inches wide, 1 foot long. Now that we have finished talking about how big the filter is, let's get it installed. We'll start by taking out the mounting bracket, drawing some holes with our pencil where we're going to drill holes through the frame of the van, which we're going to mount this bracket to. After that, we'd go full Bob Ross, paint all those holes we just drilled in, and then we put our rib nuts in, one at a time. After the first nut goes in, the second nut goes in, and for this install, it's going to have 3 nuts holding the bracket in place. I'm using metric 5 nuts for this installation and metric 5 bolts. Okay, we got those in. Now we're just measuring the distance from the top to make sure that the sink's not going to be an issue. And then we put our thread Loctite on. This is a better alternative in my opinion than the Teflon tape people used in the days of old. So we'll screw these braided hoses on both the input and output of the filter, then hang it on its bracket, and we are ready to plumb it into our broader water system with some 1/2 inch male PEX side by 5/8 inch male threaded fasteners. You ready? So this piece goes on here, and then we put this in here like that. Put that part on the ground, and then we can push on it. Oh yeah.
It's heavy.
You gotta do it. Yeah. We did it though, you and me. Final view of the piece installed as I am pulling the drain valve. We gotta open some valves. You ready?
Yeah.
You wanna open them with me?
Yeah.
Gotta turn this one this way. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, now we open this one. Oh, let's turn the sink off.
Is it hot?
No, it's just cold.
This water tastes as clean as fresh rain on a hot day in the Serengeti. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.